Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the daily vocab session. In this session, we discuss all the necessary and important vocabulary which are really important for different competitive exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, MTS, CDS, IBPS, Railway, Defense exams, and all the other competitive exams. This session is also very useful for those who are not preparing for any exams but wants to improve their vocabulary. In this session is we keep this session really small so that you can retain on the words that we discuss daily. Also, if you want to revise the words that you have studied and you have learned, you can go through these videos because these videos are really small. You can do this anytime, anywhere. So without wasting much time, let's start the session. First word is pro life rate. What pro-life rate means? It means increasing rapidly in numbers, such that it seems like they are multiplying themselves. Okay, so it means increasing rapidly. You can learn it by mnemonics. That is pro life rate. जो life का rate है वो pro level का है. It's just a mnemonic. The correct word is pro life rate, and it means increase rapidly in number. Synonym is reproduce itself or reproduce. हिंदी में पैदा करना या संख्या बढ़ना. बाकी जो मैं बता रहा हूँ वही है कि इंक्रीजिंग, बहुत जल्दी इंक्रीज होना. पैराडॉक्स, ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी वर्ड है. पैराडॉक्स मीन्स अ सीमिंगली absurd or contradictory statement or proposition which when investigated may prove to be well founded or true. कोई ऐसी स्टेटमेंट या कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो दिखने में लगेगी बहुत बकवास है या फिर ये एकदम बेकार है, गलत है, बट जब उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जाए, जब उसकी तह तक पहुंचा जाए तो पता लगे कि वो एकदम सही है. दैट इज़ रियली करेक्ट, एंड दिस इज़ द पैराडॉक्स. दिस इज़ नोन एज पैराडॉक्स. सो सिनोनिम इज पजल. ऐसी कंडीशन जो पहले तो लगेगी एकदम बेकार है, बट जब उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जाए वो पता लगे कि दैट इज़ रियली करेक्ट. Next word is colossal. Colossal means extremely large or great, something that is really big. So इसके synonyms easy हैं: enormous, huge, massive, gigantic, something really big. That is colossal. Next word is inception. इंसेप्शन मूवी तो आप सबने देखी होगी. सो डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ इंसेप्शन? इंसेप्शन मीन्स द स्टैब्लिशमेंट और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एन activity or institution or something. The starting point of something is inception. So synonyms are origin, foundation, formation, initiation, sthapna. The starting point of something is inception, the origin. Next word is grandeur. Grandeur means splendor or impressiveness, especially of appearance or style. Synonyms are magnificence or splendor. What it actually means? It means that someone has really attractive and impressive appearance or personality or style. For an example, take a sentence like he has such a grandeur lifestyle, or like Shah Rukh Khan is a grandeur personality, or like he has such a grandeur house. Okay, the shan is the word. So that's it for today, and let's revise it again. All the words that we have discussed. First word was pro life rate, increase rapidly in numbers, to reproduce. Second word is paradox, which means something when seems absurd but when investigated proved to be well founded or true. Colossal, something really big. Inception, origin of something, starting point of something. Grandeur is splendor, magnificence, impressiveness. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel for the regular updates.